Okay, the key to this question here is first of all realizing that there are two triangles there, two right triangles. You have this right triangle and you have this right triangle. There you go. So it says here that the sailboat A is observed at an angle of depression 21 degrees. The angle of depression is this angle right here. Sailboat A, and that's 21. Which means the angle in here must add up to 90 degrees. So the angle in there is going to be, oops, and then 69. So this angle in here is going to be 69. Now we have an angle and a side. Side is right here. Also, for the other triangle, we have an angle of 8. Stop. 8 degrees in here. And the inside angle there in this case must be, you got it, 90 minus 8 equals 82. So the angle here is going to be 82 degrees. So we have an angle and the adjacent side on both. So for the first one here, for the blue one, we have an angle equals 69 degrees on the side .5. So we know that cosine of an angle is equal to the adjacent side and we know that you know the tangent tan of an angle is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. And this would be the adjacent side. Right here. And this would be the angle. So, putting the numbers in, it's going to look like this. Tan 69 equals opposite over 12.5, the adjacent side. Then by cross multiplying, you can say that this is going to go over 1. And by cross multiplying, we're going to get tan 69 multiplied by 12.5. That equals the opposite side. And the calculator looks like this. Punch in your tan 69, close brackets, multiplied by 12.5. That gives you 32.56. We'll say 32.6. 32.6. That's the opposite side. So what does that mean? That means this distance here is 32.6. Now, we have the big triangle. Big triangle is also going to be at an angle of 80 degrees, 82 degrees. So the angle equals 82 degrees. The side is the same. Oops. The calculation is the same calculation again. It's going to be tan theta equals opposite over adjacent, which means we have tan of 65, sorry, tan of 82 this time. Over the opposite, over 12.5. Once again, cross multiplying, I'm going to have tan 82 multiplied by 12.5. So equal opposite. And the calculator is going to be tan 82 times 12.5, 88.9. What that means, the whole distance here, from here to here, is 88.9. We subtract the small distance from the large distance, we get the distance we're looking for. The sailboats are 56.3 meters apart.